Here are the cars we bought. There's Richard car GTI, James' car, my V6 Volvo GLE.
Each car.
First to go is Richard's GTI.
This is probably the worst car Stigger's ever driven.
Yeah.
This is probably the worst car Stigger's ever driven.
Yeah.
Although it must be said, probably not the worst car he's going to drive today.
No.
Now let's see how James's Audi goes.
That was 0 to 60 in about 25 minutes.
Assuming it will ever get to 60.
This is where we will see the advantage of the optional
Car.
pack.
About my
Car.
It's not going away.
Here's James braking from 6 miles an hour.
Here we go. Oh, straight and true. Beat that hammer.
Okay, I'm at 6, just James to beat. Here we go. Braking. Nothing.
Sadly, I couldn't beat James, but surely that fat
Car.
would let Jeremy down.
Anti-lock brakes! Yes! 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 The Volvo scored a point! What a great car! Because what it says is, each of you must drive your car into a wall at 30 miles an hour.
Hey?
Yeah. Feeling quite relaxed, actually.
With your Volvo.
With my Volvo.
20, 25, 30 miles an hour. I'm going in. Oh my goodness.
Yes, he's dead.
Well, it's been shit.
Yeah. Then it was my turn, and I had a problem. Speedo wasn't working, so I had to guess how fast 30 was. And I got it a bit wrong.
Clarkson, you fucking gooner.